Alright guys, thought I'd do this truck here. So this isn't the typical guy that's from Kingston, Ontario. This is another guy. He's in somewhere near Springwater, Ontario, in the vicinity there, roughly. So he's got a bunch of whack of trucks. I'm not too sure where he gets them from. I didn't really talk to him or nothing like that. So what we're looking at here is a 1962 GMC. He's asking $5,500 for it. Pretty complete looking truck. It doesn't really look all that bad. It looks like it was from probably out west. Again, I would assume. There's that typical rust spot right there where they always rust right there. This doesn't really look like an Ontario truck. It would be far more rotted out than that. Typical, like, I don't know if that's where it came from, Alberta, or could it came from down in the States too, so I don't really know that for sure. So it doesn't look like it's got a tailgate. Maybe it's in the bed somewhere. It needs a little bit of work body wise, but it looks pretty solid-ish looking truck. He's only got these 3 pictures. Yeah, I don't know, kind of too bad he didn't have a little bit more. Another 3 pictures would have been good to see the bed on the inside and then the inside of the cab too. But the ad states not much in the description. It says GMC pickup, 1962, 8-foot long box. It runs with fuel poured in the carb. It's got a 3-speed transmission. I'm gonna say that's probably a 3 on the tree. I would assume, at least anyway. Doesn't say it's an automatic either, so it says he's got a title available upon request. Not a bad looking old truck. It's got that it's a nice I always say all the time, I probably wouldn't really paint it much. I'd just patch up a few holes here and just leave it that way. I don't know, that's what I would probably do. It's got a 246 bolt wheels on it, so I don't know. It'd be nice to kind of convert it to a 5-lug wheel, but I don't know. At the same time, you probably could find some newer style GM rims. I think they would fit on that, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that they would fit. But yeah, not too bad of a truck overall. There's a few dents here and there. It's something you just pound that out with a rubber mallet or something like that. Who knows what the floors look like in this? There's the front fender's rotted on the same side there as the passenger side. But yeah, you know what though? Like, the overall body on this truck, other than the rot in the fender there, doesn't look too bad. The wooden planks in the bed need to be replaced, but again, you can just go to a hardware store and buy some new hardwood planks or something like that, or just put I don't know, whatever you want in there, really. But I like, the main concern for rust on these trucks is obviously the floor pans probably, but also up in the window channel there up top there. So as long as that's pretty solid still, it should be okay. Definitely a truck I would drop my 6-liter in, for sure. Get a 4L80 6.0 on this thing. That would be pretty cool. Doesn't say what kind of engine's in this thing. I'm gonna guess it's either a V8 or a 6-cylinder. This is a GMC 910. I can see the 910 badge on the side there. So I would, if I had the coin, I would definitely buy it, scoop it up, for sure. 5,500. I don't think that's too shabby for this truck, really. That's a pretty fair price. Just to get into any project these days, it's just ridiculous. Some of the prices are just way up there for trucks that are worse off than this. So I would probably pay $5,500 for this truck for sure. You can get a lot of parts for them nowadays anyway, so I don't think this one is that oddball where you can't get parts for it. I think I would assume Auto Metal Direct has parts for this truck, I would guess. Have to research that for sure. But yeah, yeah, I think this would be kind of cool with a carbureted 6 liter in it. That would be kind of wicked. I don't know. That's my kind of vision right there for that truck. I would, you know what? I would even probably just put some, like, even if you wanted to paint that, just go up to K and Tire and get a roller and some trim clad and just throw some white on it. That's what I would do. Just keep it cheap. I wouldn't do that with the paint on the truck. But I don't know. I mean, you just clean that rust up in there and just give her some coat of trim clad or something like that, or get some of that Krylon paint. That stuff's pretty durable too. Apply it in the summertime. Not bad. This stuff here, you could probably clear coat it maybe. Get some clear coat up Canadian Tire and just spray her on there. But this here, you could just get some, I don't know, just probably put some sheet metal in there or something. I don't know. Like, I was gonna say license plate, but I don't want to copy anybody. But yeah, not pretty cool truck. Yeah, I mean, I like it. I would definitely, like I said, scoop this up in a heartbeat. I wish. Alright guys, thanks a lot for checking that one out. I'll catch you later.